Hello friends, today we will see the numericals based on design of short column. This is the example number 1. Design a column to carry an axial load of 2000 kN. Draw a neat sketch to indicate the steel reinforcement. Use 40 concrete and Fe415 steel. This question is from in Mumbai University, BArch, April 2018 for 15 marks. Given data. First of all, write given data. P is equal to 2000 kilonewton. You can see this question. Carry an axial load 2000 kilonewton means P is 2000 kilonewton. Then FCK and Fy is given. So write given data M40 FCK is equal to 40 Newton per mm square. Fe 415, so Fy is equal to 415 Newton per mm square. So first step, find Pu. Pu is the factored load. So factored load is calculated by formula 1.5 into P. 1.5 into P is given in question 2000. Then you will get Pu is equal to 3000 kilonewton. Okay. Then step second. Assume 1% of steel of cross section. See, every column has concrete and steel, right? So this is the thumb rule given by IS code. We have to assume 1% of steel and 99% of concrete of gross cross section, right? So step second, assume 1% of steel of gross cross section and 99% concrete of gross cross section. Therefore ASC is equal to means area of steel is equal to 0.01 Ag gross area and area of concrete is equal to 0.99 Ag, right? Now to find factored load due to cross section, factored load Pu is equal to 0.4 FCK into AC plus 0.67 Fy into ASC. So put the values. Pu is the factored load. So factored load, you can see first step, Pu is equal to 3000 kilonewton. So factored load 3000 into 10 cube, convert in Newton, multiply by 10 cube is equal to 0.4. FCK is given 40. Then AC is the 0.99 into Ag plus 0.67 into Fy 415 into ASC 0.01 Ag, right? See, so solve this equation, then we get 15.84 Ag plus 2.7805 Ag, right? Then factored load 3000 into 10 cube. Solve this equation, then we get 18.620 Ag. Therefore Ag is equal to 16,16117.07 mm square, right? So side is equal to square root Ag, then side is equal to this value, then we get Ag side is equal to 401.39 approximate 410 mm. Then step third, AGP means provided gross area is equal to side square is equal to 410 square is equal to 168100 mm square. ASC is equal to 0.01 into AGP. So 0.01 into this value, then we get 1681 mm square. Provide ASC. Here I have provided ASC is equal to 6 bars of 25 mm diameter. Then provide 8 bars of 20 mm diameter bars ASCP is equal to 8 into pi by 4, 8 bars into pi by 4 into d square, diameter 20. Then we get ASCP means area of steel provided 2513 mm square. Then provide 6 bars of 20 mm diameter. Then ASCP is equal to 6 into pi by 4 into d square 20 square. Then we get 1884 mm square. Here therefore ASCP is greater than ASC, right? ASCP is greater than ASC. ASCP 1884 greater than ASC 1681, hence it is safe, right? Step 4th, find ACP. Area of concrete provided is calculated by formula gross area provided minus area of steel provided. Put the value AGP 168100 minus 1884, then we get ACP is equal to 166216 mm square. Then step 5th, check, find PU. PU is equal to 0.4 FCK into ACP plus 0.67 FY ASCP. So PU is equal to 0.4 into FCK 40 into ACP, this value 166216 plus 0.67 FY 415 into ASCP 1884. Then we get PU is equal to 3183.302 kilonewton. So PU is greater than P, hence it is safe. Then step 6, lateral ties. Phi ties is greater than or equal phi main divided by 4. For step 3, we provide diameter of 20 mm phi and we provide 25 mm phi for lateral ties. So phi ties is greater than or equal phi main 25 divided by 4, then we get 6.25 mm. Say 6 mm, provide 6 mm phi ties about 300 mm center to center. See, phi ties is the diameter of ties. It is greater than or equal main diameter divided by 4. So for step 3rd, we provide diameter of 20 mm and we provide 25 mm diameter for lateral ties, right? So diameter of ties is greater than or equal 25 mm divided by 4, then it is equal to 6.25 mm. Say 6 mm, provide 6 mm diameter of ties about 300 mm center to center. Then next step, step 7th, spacing. S1 is equal to list lateral dimension 410 mm. So this is the AG side. Okay, you can see the step 2nd. AG side is equal to 410 mm. So this is the list lateral dimension. Then S2 is equal to 16 into main diameter of ties is equal to 16 into 25. You can see the step 6th, phi main is equal to 25. I have provided main diameter of lateral ties is 25. So S2 is equal to 16 into phi main. 16 into 25 is equal to 400 mm. Then S3 is equal to 48 into diameter of ties, 48 into 6. You can see the step 6th, phi ties is equal to 6 is equal to 288 mm. S4 is equal to spacing S4 is equal to 300 mm. Adopt spacing of 300 mm center to center. Provide 6 mm diameter of ties about 300 mm center to center. Okay. Steps 8, reinforcement details. You can see this diagram, cross section of the column. Reinforcement detail, this is the side 410, 410, 6 bars of 20 mm diameter, you can see. Then this is the 6 mm diameter ties about 300 mm center to center distance. You can see the reinforcement details. Thank you.